kawaki! Kumusta na naman kayong lahat, mga kawaki? Nandito na naman si Tsang, Erna. Ngayon, magluluto tayo ng Buko Pandan. Ayan po. Kasi nga, magba-birthday si Tsang, Erna ngayong Saturday. So, magluluto tayo ng Buko Pandan. Okay. Ito na yung mga ingredients natin. So, meron ako Mr. Gulaman, Buko Pandan flavor. So, 2 peraso lang. Yung marami na to siya. Tapos, meron akong mumurahing evaporated milk. Mumurahin lang to siya dito, guys. So, mga further house na yata to dito. Tapos, ito, rainbow condensed milk. Tapos, meron pang iba-iba yung brand ng ng condensed milk. Ito, kondensada Alaska. Ito yung mura doon sa Dalma Mall. Tapos, lagyan ko siya ng cream, thick cream. Ayan, meron tayong thick cream. Tapos, lagyan ko siya ng cheese. Ayan, kasi nga, masisira na yung cheese. So, ilagay ko na lang siya. Tapos, lagyan ko po siya ng coconut strips. Para naman may siya, kakaibang lasa. Kasi buko pa na. Tapos, ito ang nagpapasarap mga guys, mga kawaki. This is the Tapioca pearl. Niluto ko na siya, pinakaluan ko na siya kanina. So, ngayon, papakaluan ko na yung Mr. Gulaman. See you later! Ako ng mainit na tubig. Since 2 pack siya, para naman medyo marami yung magawa natin. So, 6 na ganitong tubig. Glass. Okay? So, maghihintay pa tayo para kumulo yung tubig natin. So, while waiting, i-slice muna natin yung cheese. Para mamaya, diretso na. Tumigas na talaga siya. Na-open na kasi siya, kaya nagiging ganito na. So, ubusin ko na lang siya para masarap naman yung buko pandan salad natin, no? Ayan. Tigas na siya. Bakit? Ayan. Ayan. So, ganito lang siya kapino. Kapino ba? Ganito lang siya, ha? Kapag slice, para naman siya. Ayan. Hanggang maubos to. Ubusin natin to kasi sayang na naman siya. Kasi, yung mga kawaki, see you later! Ito na po yung gulaman natin. Ayan. Continuous stirring lang po tayo mga kawaki. Pero okay na to siya. Pwede ko na siyang i-transfer sa bowl. Okay? Let's go! Balik si Tsang, Erna. Nandito na yung ginawa natin gulaman. So, ngayon ilalagay na natin ang mga evaporada at saka mga kondensada. Ayan. Mga evaporada, kondensada. Para, what is that? This is evaporated milk. Okay? I transfer it to a glass.
Ah, okay.
And then, the what do you call this one? Condensed milk. Read it. Sabi niya, basahin ko daw. Hindi talaga ito si Miriam. Yes. I think I need to put more condensed milk, right?
Yo. Wow. Ah, you mixing now. You put bit more.
But we will not eat all of this one.
Cannot eat it.
Because we need to bring. No, we will not bring. Ito na yung buko panda natin, guys. Tapos lagyan ko siya ng ganito. As I said earlier. See? No, it's too much water. This is, what is that?
Cheese?
Cream. Cream. See? Cream. I will put this cream more. Because I opened already. So, 2 cream.
Okay.
So I made mistake. It should be 3. But it's okay. And then we will put this tapioca pearl. Yes. Wow. It's too much.
Kasi ya.
It's too much, right?
Not too much.
We will finish this milk because maybe it's not enough now. Anyway, we have cheese. So the taste will be. Ayan. So by tomorrow you can eat this one. It's good to be cold. Yes, it's good to be true. Because this Miriam, she is waiting for how many days for this one only. Right, Miriam?
Yes.
Yes. So finally,
See ya.
we made this Buko Pandan. Because I promised to her I will make Buko Pandan during my birthday. So thanks to my birthday. Then we will put the cheese. Okay.
Wow.
This is a special Buko Pandan of mine. Because you know, there's a cheese, right? And then we have this coconut. Aywa!
Too much today.
If I'm going to make something, it's expensive because I don't know how to commercialize. No? To less the ingredients or what. It's like that. Mix, mix, mix lang tayo mga guys. So I will not use your phone now because you know if I'm going to use your phone, it's hard for me to.
No, because that day it was very long method. Wow.
Is it enough the milk?
I think so.
The condensed milk?
Of course.
We will put here.
Oh my God. Like that.
Yung mga kabalbala na ginagawa ni Miriam. Sa mga pagtitipid. No, that's a... Bro, silukot.
Put water then.
No, that's enough. Okay?
Yo.
Yo, yo. Wow, I like it.
Very nice.
It's very yummy. We will taste. I will taste. Taste, ha? Yeah, so sweet. So sweet, but my face, it's not so sweet.
Ah, you said about the face. Oh my God. I was supposed to put.
I think I need to put more. This one? Better, no? Or what do you think? More?
No need. But if you feel, I don't know how to make it. You are the expert. I don't know.
Then we will add. Ayan, ito na yung gulaman natin. Yes. With blah blah. Yeah, diba? Ang sarap. Ang sarap. So, I'm done na, guys. So, I'm done na sa ating Buko Pandan, guys. Special Buko Pandan of Tsang Erna.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to me. Thank you so much. Okay. Pero kakainin namin to is Saturday pa. So, we can eat this one by Saturday, not tomorrow.
Yeah.
Joke. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel and don't skip ads, please. I have ads already.
Well,
Yeah.
How
Thank
many?
you. Bye-bye.